A lot of people have been sending us DM asking about early bird scholarship, but I'm keeping very busy. So over next few seconds, I'm going to answer top 3 questions once and for all.
What is Early Bird Scholarship?
Early Bird Scholarship is a financial program offered by the UK universities to incentivize early application.
What do you have to do to get it?
Nothing. It's first come first serve basis. All you have to do, just pay the deposit on time and the discount is applied automatically.
How much can a student save with the scholarship?
Well, that depends on the university, but you can save up to £3,000 through Early Bird Scholarship. That's my time. See you in UK.